You know, this is the time of year when we're craving something homemade, but we really don't feel like baking. Well, if that sounds like you, then you're going to love the no-bake dessert we're making today. And since it's super easy, this is a great one to have your kids or even your grandchildren help you with. All we do is pour half a small can of frozen lemonade concentrate into a bowl, along with some sweetened condensed milk and some whipped topping. We give that a good stir until it's mixed really well. You see, as the lemonade reacts with the sweetened condensed milk, it thickens up, and the whipped topping makes this summery light. Now, we spoon this into a few graham cracker tart shells, and you can find these in the baking aisle right next to the pre-made pie crusts. Then into the fridge these go to chill up, and they're ready to serve. Maybe top them off with a few fresh berries, and it's summer at its best. You see, with each bite, you get the creaminess of a cheesecake with the tartness of lemonade. Since this is so amazing, I really do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our no-bake lemonade cheesecakes, so you can enjoy a homemade dessert without ever turning on your oven. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a refreshing way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.